Alright, we're going to show you how easy it is to install the new billet AC brackets on an LS3. This is a new Ford 30 horse LS3 crate engine, but it would be the same mounting for a truck or any of the other variants of the LS3. So we got a block plate here. It's held on with a couple of cap screws. Now, one of the nice things about this design is there is no alignment. You bolt it on and it's going to work. These brackets are machined from solid billet aluminum. These particular brackets are anodized black, but we're going to offer them both ways, anodized or natural finish. This is a stock JK compressor. Now you're going to want to run the original hardware that you got with your compressor. We're just running these for demonstration. And that's it. Now there is a rear bracket that goes on here too, but this compressor is essentially installed.